Hi superstars. Okay, so in this video I'll be talking about one business idea that can change your life. I'm not talking about two, three, or 10, just one business idea that can change your life. Alright, so in this channel we've spoken about different business ideas you can do to make money in Nigeria or anywhere in the world. But some of these business ideas actually require capital and some agenda related, but you see this business idea I'm about to share with you, if you take it seriously you can make good money from it within the shortest possible time. All right, first let's lay the foundation that we are in the tech age. Okay, in this season lots of people are going into tech and social media content creation and all that. Okay, so when you think about tech, the first thing that comes to your mind is a laptop. Okay, lots of people who want to go into tech, one of their limitations has been a good laptop. All right, and people who are into content creation, most of them need social content creation kits like microphone, like stand and all that. All right, so this business idea I'm about to share with you binds the two, content creation and tech, and with no capital you can make money from it. All right, so before I delve deep into it, have you given me a thumbs up? Please hit the like button. It is absolutely free, my superstars. All right, okay, let's continue. Okay, so in this season, lots of people have developed interest in going into tech, and one of the basic things they need is a good and functional laptop. But you know what? So many people don't have access to affordable laptops. Okay, so that's where you come in. Okay, you can go to a place where they sell laptops. Okay, like if you're based in Lagos, oh my god, this business idea will work for you. Or there are other commercial places like Port Harcourt, Onitsha, lots of places where they sell laptop. Okay, but if you're based in Lagos, you can go to Computer Village and walk into a shop where they sell used laptops. Okay, you can liaise with the owner of the laptops and ask for a price for prices of and specification of different laptops. My superstars, you have to do the work. Okay, you have to ask for specification of different laptops, their the price, okay, the spec and all that, and then come and create content. Okay, you could do it from the shop with the permission of the owner of the shop. You do a video, you show the laptop, the specifications, the amount. Okay, we have very good affordable laptops for beginners where people who want to go into tech as beginners can use and then grow from there. Okay, so you make a video with details of the specifications of the laptops and the price, different laptops and all that, and boom, you edit it and post it on social media. My superstars, there are lots of people who are looking for it but don't know where or how to go about it, and with time people get to know you, and from there you make money. Have you realized that you need absolutely no capital to make these videos? You need no capital to tell people about these laptops, and you also need no capital to sell these laptops, because whoever has need of it will send money to you. Okay, you would have added your own profit to what the seller will give to you, or you could strike a deal with the seller to give you a percentage. Okay, from there you make sales. All right, they send you the money, you give the seller his or her own, you keep your own, and voila, everybody's happy. The seller makes money, you make money, while the person who needs laptop gets a good laptop. Okay, my superstar, so this is a fantastic way you can make money in this season in Nigeria. People are going into content creation. Okay, do you know that when I needed some tools for myself, okay, like my LED light, my stand, the stand I'm using right here, a friend took me to Computer Village, okay, and I needed a laptop as well. A friend took me there. I got a good laptop at a good rate, and this stand I'm using right here, the price here was like 3 times the price, but I got it there at half, more than half the price. Okay, less than half the price. So you see, there are lots of people who need things like this, affordable and quality things. Okay, so you could walk into a content creation store shop where they sell microphones, they sell stand, LED lights, okay, ring lights, create content with the permission of the owner. Okay, you create content, talk about different content creation kits, how to use it, what it is used for. Okay, because there are so many content creators out there who don't even know what to do. They don't know what they need for starters, talk less of how to use it. So you could show them how to use it, what to use it for, and the price. And from there, you edit it beautifully and upload it on different social media platforms. Before you know it, people will start ordering from you. And you also need zero capital. You don't need any money at all to do these videos and talk about these content creation things and all that before making sales. Whoever has need of it will send you the money. You take your own, give the seller his or her own, okay, and then you deliver the product to, you waybill the product to the person wherever he or she is. So it's a win-win-win, right? So these are days where people are making sharp money without any capital at all. God are the days where people needed millions of naira before they start any business. With zero capital, you can do any business in Nigeria. Okay, funny enough, you may not necessarily have to go there every day. You could set aside a day, go make lots and lots of videos, talk about different products and all that, make lots of videos, then come back to your house and then edit these videos and post it. So even if you go there once, you can make content that can last a month or two, and then you come work on it, upload it, and all that. And whoever has need of it will place an order, you make the delivery, and that is it. Okay, my superstars. So to this video is a reminder that you can make money from thinking out of the box and acting smart. Okay, thank God for social media. Okay, that's made lives easier, life sweeter. People can buy things anywhere from the comfort of their home. This makes it a lot easier for you. Your target market is just waiting for you to start creating content and uploading it on TikTok, social, Facebook, Instagram, okay? And then watch the money flow to you. All right, my superstars. In the meantime, have you liked this video? If you have not, my superstars, please hit that like button. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And I'm also open for partnerships. Okay, if you would love me to come to your shop and create content and all that, you can always reach out to me and then we'll get started. All right, my superstars. Thank you for watching. Will you be trying it? All right, let me know in the comment section which of this you'll be trying. Okay, this is a call to action. Will you be trying it? All right, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Share this video to that friend who's been thinking of what to do but doesn't have money for starters. And I trust that this will encourage someone to get started before the end of this year and make money. All right? I love you, my superstars. I love you, love you. Bye.